In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your site's background color using the built-in WordPress tools, no code required, and you'll understand what each click does so you can make confident design choices. Start by opening your WordPress website in your browser and heading to your dashboard. This is your site's control center where all the design changes happen. From the left-hand menu, look for Appearance, then select Editor. The editor is where you control your site's overall look and feel. It's designed to let you preview changes as you make them, so you can see the results in context. In the main preview area, you'll likely see a sample page titled Hello World. Click that. You're not editing the text of that page right now, you're simply bringing the site preview into focus so the styling options relate to your overall design. This helps make sure the changes you apply affect your site's global appearance rather than just a single block or post. Now, move to the top right corner of the screen and click Styles. The Styles panel is the central place for your site-wide design settings, including typography, colors, and layout. Opening it tells WordPress that you want to adjust the overall style instead of individual elements on the page. Inside the Styles panel, choose Color, then select Background. This is where you control the color that sits behind your content across the site. You'll see a palette of theme colors and, depending on your setup, options to pick a custom color. As you click different colors, the preview updates instantly so you can judge the result in real time. Take a moment to try a few options. Pick a color that matches your brand and keeps your text easy to read. High contrast is important for accessibility and general readability, so if your text is dark, consider a lighter background. If your text is light, a darker background can work well. If you have the option to enter a color code, that's a precise way to match an exact brand color. Otherwise, the color picker and preset swatches will do a great job. When you've found a background color you like, that's it. You've changed the background color through the WordPress editor using the Styles panel and the background option under Color. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime to fine-tune your design as your site evolves.